Hello. Carlos here from Abandoned House, Portugal. Just to show you what or how many trees, how many roofs I remove it from the room. We are a Brazilian family who bought a ruin in Mafra, Portugal. We are sharing our experience through these videos. Please follow our journey. Stay tuned. And we almost done here in the cleaning process. The easy part. The hard part will be the next one, to receive the approval from the municipality, from the camera, and then we start to rebuild. It's still very exciting process, but again, it's just the beginning. And yeah, we almost done with the cleaning process, and we are very excited to finish this. It's not a full episode, just a quick update. And please subscribe, put a thumbs up, and see what's next in the next episodes. Thank you.